Hello, what's up guys? In today's video we have the Huawei Nova 15 Max, which is locked, as you guys can see here. Let's remove this lock with the hard reset. For that, first you guys have to power off this phone. After that, press the power and volume up keys simultaneously. Now as soon as the Huawei logo comes up, you guys have to release the power key and keep holding on to the volume up key until it gets into the recovery menu. As you guys can see here, inside the recovery menu you guys can use volume keys to move the option and use power key to select an option. Select clear data and then select factory reset. I forgot to mention that you guys can use the screen also for selecting an option. Select factory reset and then type yes, and again tap on factory reset, then wait for the process to be completed. Now when this process completes, the phone will be wiped out. Then after that, select back and then tap on restart. After the restart, the phone will take some time to load up, so you guys have to wait for it. Then when the phone finally turns on, tap on start, move forward, set up your phone, and after completing this setup, you guys will be able to use your phone again, while the pattern or password that was set up previously now has been removed.